Create an elegant twist on a low ponytail with the help of Magic-Grip Hairpins. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and secure with an elastic. Slide the hair elastic down about 1 inch and start twisting the ponytail. Push the hair upwards to create some volume and this twisted detail. Using a Magic-Grip hairpin, insert the legs of the pin into the bottom of the twist where the hair elastic is located. Then flip the pin, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push the pin into the base of the twist, concealing the elastic. Insert a second Magic-Grip hairpin slightly higher than the first to secure the top part of the twist. Gently pull and tug at the hair to create softness and volume, and uncoil the twisted ponytail. Discreetly secured with Magic-Grip hairpins, enjoy this twist on a simple low ponytail, perfect for everyday and special occasions.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.